to my channel, and we are doing Gravity Falls, and I'm gonna do a little instruction here. And would you please subscribe to my channel, and you'll get to get some more lessons and pedal reviews, all sorts of fun stuff. So here we go with the how to play Gravity Falls on the acoustic guitar. And in the video I'm just playing the first three strings and keeping it simple. So D minor chord, and then for the left hand you can use either your third finger here, your pinky. I did both, and the reason being is when I go to that B flat chord, it just makes it simple to move. So anyhow, I will go through some of that. So here is the Gravity Falls rhythm section. Goes like this. So what I'm doing, I'm just using these three fingers, and I'll use my thumb for the third string, first finger for second string, middle finger for the first string, and I'm kind of doing a reverse roll. So I'm going first, second, third, back to second, and first. So it's going. So I got my D minor chord here, and now I'm going to the F chord, and then the A chord. So I don't have to do the full chord because I'm not playing any strings below the first three strings. So that makes it simple. And so then basically 2 times through you're going to do the D minor, and then you got the F chord. And here's the B flat chord we haven't introduced yet, but I'm playing it like this. Then that C chord, back to A. So basically, and then this is where I use my fourth finger, my pinky, and you could use your ring finger. I just use my pinky, it just seemed less movement for me. So twice on that, and then F, and B flat, and C, then A. And then the last time through, it goes through each chord once, or the rolls twice actually. But so there's D minor, F, B flat, and C. I think I played it one too many times. Anyways, I'm trying to talk and play at the same time. So that's pretty much your rhythm section. So it is again D minor, then F, A, and then the melody comes in here, D minor twice, and F, and then B flat, C chord, A, and repeats. B flat, C, A, and then one time through each D minor, F, B flat, C, A, and that's it. That's the rhythm part for the acoustic guitar for Gravity Falls. We'll be back with the lead section. Alright, we're back for part 2 of Gravity Falls acoustic guitar, and we're doing a lead now. So the lead guitar, basically, now I'm using a pick because it's easier. So lead's going. So in finger wise, it doesn't have to be exactly what I'm doing. You could do first 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1. So you can go. So I'm starting out at 3 here. 1, and then pinky. And I like the second finger here. And then what I'm trying to do here is keep everything connected as much as possible. So if I could stretch and reach this, and what I do to make that happen is placement of the thumb. So if you get your thumb centered behind your, somewhere on your middle finger, ring finger, you'll be able to reach a lot of these laser. So anyways, I know it's not natural, it's not comfortable, but if you work on it, you can get to that and help with the reach. And then and then pinky, middle, back to pinky, and then first finger. And then we got some jumping here to do. So you could do pinky there, or third finger. And then definitely go into pinky here. But you could use the third finger, because then you have to jump all the way back down here. And then you got this B flat, G, C, C sharp. And then I did the keyboard part, or the weird little thing at the end there. I just kind of transfer it to the guitar here, so it goes like this. So basically it's a D minor arpeggio, kind of. There's your D minor, and then it jumps to A. So there's my E, my C sharp. And then I skip the second string, go to the first string, and then hit the A there and the C sharp, and then D. So up to speed, see if I can do. Up to speed. Again. So picking makes a difference. I'm pretty much alternate picking everything here. Our last two notes I'm picking down. So what I tend to do is when I'm playing quarter notes or half notes or whole notes, I'm picking down with my right hand. And then if I'm doing eighth notes, then I'll alternate pick. Since that last line is pretty fast and it's all eighth notes. So there you have it. That's how to play the lead on the acoustic guitar for Gravity Falls. Please subscribe and you'll be notified when there's some more videos. Thank you very much.